This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. The Dräger PSS AirBoss system includes the PSS AirBoss Active, a full face mask Dräger PSS 7000, a lung demand valve LDV, and a compressed air cylinder. To maintain the readiness of the PSS AirBoss, all shoulder and waist straps should be fully extended. To don the SCBA, put the carrying system on one shoulder first, followed by the other. Close the buckle of the waist belt and pull, ensuring the set sits comfortably on your hips. Finally, tighten the shoulder straps, leaving a space between the shoulder and the harness to allow freedom of movement, and fold the strap ends inwards if required. When positioned correctly, you should be able to reach over your head without any problem. The waist belt should be able to pivot with your movements. Your coat should not be pulled up when bending down. The weight of the SCBA should be on your hips, not your shoulders. Extend the straps of the full face mask head harness. Place the chin part of the mask on your face, then gently push onto your face and adjust it by pulling the lower strap straight back first and pulling the upper straps afterwards. Ensure that the middle strap is centered at the top of your head. Reset the LDV by pressing the red button. Slowly and fully open the cylinder valve anti-clockwise. During pressurization, a momentary sounding of the whistle will occur. Fully close the cylinder valve. After 1 minute, check the gauge. It should show a pressure drop of less than 10 bar. If so, connect the LDV to the full face mask. Breathe normally while monitoring the gauge. Once the gauge shows 60 to 50 bar, the low pressure warning whistle should sound. Continue breathing until the pressure gauge shows 0 bar. Inhale and hold your breath. There must be no noticeable air ingress. Otherwise, check the mask fit. Reset the LDV by pressing the red button. Open the cylinder again once the pressure gauge shows 0 bar. If you have completed the functional test successfully, your SCBA is ready for use.